Hi guys! This is me again, Christine Escarda, your sales executive from Mitsubishi Peak Motors, Jose Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila. So guys, nakikita nyo, nandito po ulit tayo sa aming stockyard. So nasa likuran ko po ang mga unit na ready for release na si L300 FB Body Dual Aircon 2025 year model. So guys, alam ko sa mga negosyante dyan, familiar na po ito sa inyo. So tara, reviewin natin. So ayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng L300. Ayan, so unahin na natin ang kanyang steering wheel na 2-spoke polypropylene. Ayan po. So, wait. Buksan natin yung ilaw para maliwanag. Ayan. So, ayan. And yung kanyang gear type naman po is ball and nut with power steering. So, ayan. So, ayan guys. Ito naman yung easy controls niya. And yung radio controls. Ayan. With AUX and USB port. And syempre, yung cambio niya na andito pa rin sa gilid. And then, yung handbrake. Ayan, ito po. So, ayan guys, nandito naman po ako sa likod ng aming L300 FB Body Dual Aircon. Ayan. So, ang kasya naman pong passenger dito is 14. So, ayan po. Ang upuan po is natatumble din po. So, ayan guys, since dual aircon siya, nandito po yung switch niya. Ayan. And ayan guys, baka nagtataka kayo, bakit walang harang si L300? Ganun po talaga siya. So, nasa sa inyo na po guys kung papalagyan niyo po siya or hindi. The new L300 Euro 4 is up by 40% more torque and power versus the old Euro 2 engine. Meaning guys, mas malakas yung cooling power and mas malaki ang payload. Sa engine naman guys, it has a 2.2 liter turbocharged and intercooled CRDI engine. And for the fuel system naman guys, it is electronic common rail direct injection. And for the fuel tank naman, meron siyang capacity na 55 liters. So when it comes naman sa dimension guys, meron siyang width na 1,695 millimeters and curb weight na 1,130 kilograms. Sa wheelbase naman, 2,350 millimeters. Gross vehicle weight, 2,345 kilograms. And for better driver's visibility, tinaasan ng 100 millimeters yung cab height niya. And yung length naman is 4,440 millimeters. Curb weight versus gross vehicle weight. So guys, what is curb weight? Curb weight is total vehicle weight with standard equipment and fluids. And gross vehicle weight, curb weight na kasama ang mga passenger and cargo. For suspension guys, sa front, it has independent wishbone and coil spring. Sa rear naman, it has semi-elliptic lift spring. For the braking system naman guys, sa front, meron siyang 10-inch ventilated disc. And sa rear naman, meron siyang 10-inch leading and trailing drums. So guys, for many decades, eto na talaga ang subok na katuwang at pinagkakatiwalaang multicab ng mga Pilipinong negosyante since 1989. So, ayun guys, for more details, pwede niyo po akong makontak sa mga number ko na to, 0916-760-4009. Ayan guys, naka-promo po ang ating L300 na may free 2 months amortization. And for only 18,000 down payment, makukuha nyo na po ang aming L300 FB Body Dual Aircon 2025 year model. So, yun lang guys. Thank you!